We are Stellenbosch University's business incubator, and we want to be the most sought after incubation partner in the startup ecosystem. We've referred to the innovation district, which is really what brings the university into the whole concept of innovation district, which is a term that we use around very well-known ecosystems like Silicon Valley, for example, is where you have a research institution like Stellenbosch University churning out high-quality research, and as a result spin out companies as well. This attracts entrepreneurs that want to engage with those startup companies, with those spin-out companies, and that then builds up a critical mass of spin-out companies and startups that these entrepreneurs launch. And this is exciting for angel investors as well as venture capitalists, so this attracts money into the picture. These angel investors and venture capital companies invest, create successful startups which then corporate companies want to engage with.
The objective of the Ideas program is to give startups access to our partners that are in their relevant industries. And we think that customers are the most valuable connection that a startup can actually have. Not funders, not other things, but customers are the fundamental valuable connection that we want to try to make. The audience for the Ideas program are high-tech product startups that are in those relevant industries. We've completed a number of challenges, and out of each challenge there's a dozen startups that are in each corporate's industry that we incubate on their behalf. And from those incubatees, each time there's a number of those that get commercial engagements with our corporate partners in the form of pilots that they run, or just straight up contracts to be customers of those startups that come through. And every time there's a large chunk of prize money. There's just free money given to the startups to help develop their businesses.
From my own personal experience, I've been working with these startups now for the past 3 years. And I've seen all kinds of brilliant needle-moving ideas in our competitions. And I still believe that we're yet to find that idea that is actually going to change the face of our local ecosystem, South Africa, or that idea that is going to challenge with the top 500 or top 50 or top 5 business ideas in the world. And the reason I still feel hungry and passionate about this process is that I believe that we can actually find that one single needle-moving idea, and you too, you can be the unicorn that we are looking for in our ecosystem. So don't miss out. Be a part of this process. Be a part of our success story.